If you are looking for a fantastic advent calendar that isn't filled with treats or repetitive items, but actually has quite an array of different little items and activities, you are going to love this limited edition calendar from Purple Ladybug. In fact, it's already been picked by Parents' Picks Awards 2024 as a fantastic advent calendar for elementary aged kids. So let me show you what you get. Now, to start off with, it comes with this parents only pamphlet. You will definitely want to set this aside, but keep it on hand as it walks through what's behind every single door, and many of the doors will have activities, and this will provide any instructions you need, and it also has a link to where the answers are for any of the riddles or jokes that you may want more information on. And then the advent calendar itself opens up and it has all of these doors. You can see that the top is perforated, so you can take off this entire flap if you want to and just have it be all the doors. So I've taken this off just because that makes it easier. Now, in true Advent fashion, the doors are not in numerical order. I always think that adds a little something more that the kids actually have to find the doors for each day. And let's open door number 1. It's right here. Each door has a very easy little push tab in, and then you pull out. Really easy to open. And in door number 1, you get this great hair tie or bracelet, however you choose to wear it. And it has a charm that says it's handmade. And it's just really sweet, good stretch. My daughter's gonna love this. And then inside the door, it explains what you get. And then it has a joke. Where does Santa keep all his money? In a snowbank. And I love that these boxes are pretty large and they're easy to close back up. So the advent calendar will stay nice and clean throughout the season and won't be all ripped up like many of them can be. Now, because I always worry that a child is going to be watching this video, I'm only going to open a few more doors. So I'm going to pick at random. I'm going to go for day 13. Again, very easy to open up. This one is a shell necklace. Embrace your inner mermaid with this seashell pendant necklace. And it has a cute joke as well. And here is that necklace. It has a great iridescent shimmer to it, lots of glitter, really playful and sweet. But this is definitely not just accessories. On day 9, you get this robot fidget spinner. It's got great popping. All the parts of its body move. And so you really can control it and shape it in the way you want it to be shaped. And the middle actually spins as well. And then there are activities as well. Like day 16 is this really fun magic eraser. I pull this out, there's nothing in it, and then there's just a little trick to it. And now there's a magic eraser in there. And not only is it magical, but it is in fact an eraser, and it's adorable too. Now I'm gonna stop there just in case a kid is watching this, as I want you to be surprised, but these really are lovely Advent toys and accessories and activities. I love the jokes, and the main thing I can't get over is the quality. These are still Advent toys, but these are really thought out, wonderful toys that are definitely on theme too. And I love the different designs. I love the iridescence to these pieces of jewelry and the thoughtfulness that has gone into everything. Like this magic eraser, it's just the coolest design. And I honestly think my daughter is probably gonna put something else in this, as this magic eraser is way too cute to keep hidden away. I am so thrilled that Purple Ladybug gifted me this advent calendar, as it is truly magical and it will make for an incredible countdown to Christmas Day.